Good morning, I'm Gab Veras, People's Journal Tonight and Sports Corner PH. Isang tanong lang, alam naman natin ang kahalagahan ng pagsusot na ng eyewear sa bawat sports, especially nga with kay Imana of tennis and even sa volleyball si Shiny Tura ng Adamson. So with this effort nga na of course magkaroon tayo ng mga libreng serbisyo nga para sa ating mga athletes to take care of their eyes, check, ika nga. So masasabi pa ba natin mas marami tayong mga athletes ang mas gagana na magkaroon ng basic skills and good performance na sa bawat laro, lalo na suot nila ang kanilang mga eye protective gear? Salamat po.
Okay, magandang question. No? So, as a optometrist, sports vision po, kami pong program namin is prescribe ng eyeglasses or contact lens. No? So, meron kaming mga lens. I-present namin yung special lens sa mga athletes, yung polycarbonate lens. And then yung mga frames naman po na rubber size, rubber types ng frames kasi yun po yung best sa mga athletes yung rubber. Kasi pag ordinary metal lang, once na madapa sila, may injury sila. So yung polycarbonate naman po, hindi po basta-basta nababasag yun. So yung skills nila talagang mag-enhance kasi mawawala sa kanila yung worries. Baka mamaya mabasag yung salamin ko, is magkakaroon ng injury. At the same time, meron din tayong contact lens din na pwede gamitin sa gabi para sa umaga, video nila. So yun yung mga present namin sa kanila, educate namin sila na eto na yung wide field na sports vision na product ng FBM.
Sir, to add to that, to add to what Dr. Marcos is saying, yung most athletes talaga wear their glasses, normal glasses during their sports. So one thing na notice rin namin kay Kiaman is specifically the gestures is when she swings, bumababa yung glasses niya, and she has to lift it up. So yung downside po doon, if nakababa siya ng ganon, wala na kagad yung grade niya doon. Nakikita niya, blurred. So that in itself is a big factor, especially hindi niyo napapansin during the sport itself.
Eh baka kung pango ang player.
Gagawa natin specifically for that. Meron tayong mga ano dyan. Gagawa na...
May custom fit.
Yes, may custom fit tayo dyan. That's why we need KM na two specific classes. One for her everyday use and one for during when she's playing in the sport events.
Kahit mababa po yung bridge, pwede natin solusyonan yan by specialized na eyeglasses. We can do the best do sa vision nila. Just like this goggles, impact resistant siya. So kung nag-bump or natamaan ng bola, hindi mo sugatan. Kasi meron siyang cushion.
Yes. Even the lens.
Even the lens is
It's
impact resistant.
impact resistant. Yeah. And, to address yung sinasabi pala ni Sir, yung swing ni kay Amara. Ano ko ba? Yes.
Tuloy mo. Hingi ng frame.
Yes. Kasi, to address yung sinasabi ni Sir kanina, yung may backhand, yung dalawang kamay. So if that's what, that is actually yung strokes na kasanayan na niya, no?
Yeah.
Yung 2 seconds na tinataas niya yung salamin niya because she's not wearing the proper, that is a big distraction. So that's the reason why we're giving her kung ano ang nararapat talaga both for the frame and the lens para sa kanya. See? Yung mga little things like that, kasi hindi nila napapansin yan eh. Basta sa kanya, they're wearing spectacles, they're wearing their green, pero hindi nila napapansin kung gaano ka importante. No? Yun lang idadagdag ko ron.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Jerry Ramos.
Okay, good morning po. Ano po ba, it encompasses all sports po ba to? Like, siguro archery or shooting or contact sports. Yung isang boxer natin, dito si Carl James Martin. No? So,
Yes po, sir.
Ano ba yung pampapogi lang, pandagdag lang po?
Kasi we are going to have a one-on-one consultation and customized program po. And also, I would like to add na hindi lang po ito for mga merong refractive errors. Kailangan, pwede din po doon mga 20/20 vision kasi po yung hand and eye coordination po in-exercise namin during the therapy.
Okay, thank you. Aba Cordero, Philippine Star. Next question.
Good morning po. I'm not sure how we can get in touch with him, pero po, si Efren Bata Reyes po, our number one, world famous pool player. He's already 71. Yung skills po nandun, especially ang billiards, hindi naman po masyadong strenuous na activity. Pero ang kino-complain niya palagi, ang nag-deteriorate sa kanya is his eyesight. So,
Yes, you can, yes. Pwede po sila pumunta sa amin sa FDM Vision Care Science Institute, located in Banawe, Quezon City. Yes. Tutulungan natin siya. We can help them to see better. Tignan natin kung ang problema. Meron na siyang cataracts. We have to check.
And also si Nesty Petesio po, our female boxer na two-time medalist po sa Olympics. Very recently, kausap po namin, she underwent a procedure sa mata po na sa mga previous fights niya, madaplisan lang daw po ng drugs. Napapansin niya, iba na yung pain. So, parang the last, very early this year yata, she underwent the procedure. And so, I think she needs another month before she could resume training.
Yes. Then kung mahirap sa mga contact sports, so nagkakaroon tayo ng traumatic brain injury kung tinatawag. So, yung mga ganun na yung mga findings, we can help them order para ma-improve.
Actually, the latest technique for addressing traumatic brain injury and concussion, we use syntonic phototherapy. We have the procedure every year.
And for my last note po, very important po kasi talaga sa contact sport, like boxing. Sa kanila po kasi ang effect sa eyesight is mostly after the competition hindi mo si during. The morning after, si Manny Pacquiao, there was one fight, we were together. Kasama namin si Jerry. The following day, kausap namin siya, hindi niya mapuksan ang mata. She was being fed by his wife. Spoon-fed, dahil hindi niya mapuksan. Thank you po.
Yes, okay. So, what will happen on the 10th and 11th dito po sa program na meron tayo? Di ba, you have experts from the US.
Yeah. So, Dr. Tito and Dr. Liz will be focusing on how to enhance the health and vitality of the athlete. And then, yung skills development. So, they will focus on that sa April 9. And for the April 11, it's for the coaches, the health professionals, the OBs, unang athlete on the 11. Because we will be touching on the management of paano pag-aksidente yung athlete, yung ocular emergencies na dapat gawin. And then, ano yung rehabilitation program. So that will be the focus for April 11, which will be held at the Great Eastern Hotel from 8 to 5.
Yes. Did you invite some national sports officials? Yes.
Actually, we invited the Philippine Sports Commission. Ginawa namin exclusive for the Philippine Sports Commission.
So surely din, mga NSA officials kung saan connected the coaches and the athletes. Okay, is there anything you would want to add? Additional announcement?
Well, this is not an announcement, but it's a call to everyone. Not only to the athletes, but to everyone that the most common now that we hear is still very true, that prevention is really better than cure. So, please come to us, join us, come to us, and allow us to evaluate and assess your vision. It is very, very important. It is imperative to everything that we do, no? Napaka-importante, no? this is our way to maximize our potential. In everything that we do, whatever profession, whatever career, whatever things we do, even if we're just home, it is really maximizing our potential. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Dr. Des? Yes.
Yes, I would like to take this opportunity to invite everyone to join us on April 9 para makita nyo how we can help not only the athletes but even the coaches, the students, and every walk of life to help them see better, not only malaman nila na it's not all about athlete but the skills we can improve them. Okay.
Okay, habol lang po. Just one more, please.
Ma'am, itatanong ko lang po, ano po yung expertise na makukuha natin sa